Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your WebinarFuel paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your WebinarFuel paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, up here on the top right, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other gray menu here at the top, and you're going to click on billing and upgrade. Okay, once you're there, you're going to see whichever plan you're currently on. You can see this is just a test trial account. And in order to cancel your paid subscription, here at the bottom, you're going to see this box, update billing information. Click on the orange update button. Okay, next Stripe's going to open up a browser. That's who processes the payments for WebinarFuel. And in order to cancel your paid subscription with WebinarFuel, up to the right here, you're going to click on cancel subscription. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your WebinarFuel paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.